In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep important labels visible in Smartsheet while you work. When you're managing a sheet with lots of rows, it can become difficult to keep track of what each column represents as you scroll. That's why it's important to set up your sheet structure properly from the beginning, especially if you want key information to remain visible as you move through your data. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet where you want the top area to stay easy to reference. Once you're inside the sheet, take a close look at the first row and decide how it's being used. In many cases, row 1 may contain important labels, headings, or reference information that helps identify the data below it. If that's the case, you'll want to confirm whether those labels are in the best place. In Smartsheet, the column headers at the top of the sheet are designed to serve as the fixed labels for your information. These headers stay visible in a more consistent way than data entered into the first row of the sheet. So if you're currently using row 1 as a header row, it's a good idea to consider moving those important labels into the actual column headers instead. This creates a cleaner structure and makes the sheet easier to navigate over time. If needed, go ahead and update the sheet so that the most important labels are placed in the column header area rather than inside the first row. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially when multiple people are working in the same sheet or when the sheet contains a large amount of information. After you've made that change, scroll down through the sheet and check what remains visible as you move. This is the easiest way to confirm whether your sheet is now structured the way you want. If the important labels are still easy to see, then your setup is working well. If you need an even cleaner view while working, consider using filters or reports. These can help you focus only on the rows or information that matter most, while still keeping the overall structure clear and easier to read. This is especially helpful for larger projects or more detailed tracking sheets. Once everything looks right and your sheet is organized the way you want, save the sheet so your changes are preserved. With just a few simple adjustments, you can make your Smartsheet much easier to work with and much more efficient to navigate.